Now, what is the relevance of Sodom and Gomorrah story for us? Our country and Goa is heading towards Sodom and Gomorrah. Every day in the papers we read the crime against girls, women. Forget about the murders and other things. Why this is happening? The other day I read in the paper, here in Goa, a 90 years old senior citizen was raped. And that person came second time and her granddaughter, somebody saw, and that he ran away, finally arrested. Why this perversion has come now? The perversion has come because of our Android phone. Is an Android phone is bad? Surely not. Surely not. It can be used for hundreds of good uses. As an alarm, as a torch, as a calculator, to send messages, to receive messages, to watch good films, sports, and so on. But the same Android phone, when people use for pornography, morning till evening, their mind gets filled with this perversity. And then they want to experiment on whoever they meet. It doesn't matter, even 2 years, girl child doesn't matter for them. And Goa is the worst one.